Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're working with limited space or just love the idea of a clutter-free home, the laundry hanger wall mount is about to revolutionize the way you air dry your clothes. In this episode, we'll be exploring the chic designs, space-saving functionality, and the game-changing convenience that makes these mounts a must-have for every organized household. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of laundry hanger wall mount on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. The indoor clothes drying rack serves as a home humidifier during winter, adding moisture to dry indoor environments. In summer, it is an outdoor clothes drying rack that provides the freshest, healthiest smell under warm sunlight. 6 drying rods of the foldable clothes drying rack are made from premium stainless steel, noticeably thicker and more robust than the standard silver pipes seen in the market, without risk of bending or deformation. 60 pounds capacity. Very easy to extend and retract. Smooth and quiet when expanding or pushing it in. This laundry rack folds neatly against the wall when not in use, freeing up the floor space and you will forget it is there. The appearance of the folding drying racks for laundry is sleek and stylish, adding a touch of sophistication to your home's ambience. Vikaki clothes rack drying comes pre-assembled and only requires drilling and installation onto the wall to be ready for use. It includes a cardboard template that makes installation really easy. Vikaki expandable clothes drying rack is a must-have for every laundry room. Lots of space for drying towels, shirts, a bunch of socks, some pants, dresses, sweaters and swimsuits, shorts, and intimates. Number 2. Collapsible clothes drying rack wall mounted can be folded up against the wall when not in use. It doesn't take up floor space, making it an ideal solution for small space, balcony, bathroom. Each section of the clothes hanger features 6 holes that prevent clothes from falling off and blowing away in the wind. You can use this foldable clothes drying rack indoors or outdoors. Drying rack wall mount is made from high-quality space aluminum that is both strong and wear resistant. The surface is painted and protected by multiple layers to ensure it is rust and corrosion resistant. The clothes drying hanger can withstand a weight of over 120 pounds. This retractable clothes rack can swing 180 degrees to the left and right, and has foldable arms that can be adjusted to fit your needs. You can use this foldable clothes drying rack indoors or outdoors. Suction cup laundry drying rack is fixed by suction cups. It can be firmly installed on a smooth and flat surface without drilling holes. Number 3. The compact drying rack clothing features 90 degrees rotating bath towel shelf, 7 180 degrees swivel clothes drying arms and 5 removable towel hooks, which makes the laundry drying rack maximize your limited space and meets all the daily requirements for you. The wall-mounted laundry drying rack uses premium aluminum alloy, durable, anti-corrosion, rust-proof and anti-deformation. The smooth surface paint ensures the laundry rack for drying clothes waterproof, prevents scratching and easy to clean. Maximum load weight, 40 pounds. The multi-layers design increases the clothes rack the storage capacity. It will help you air dry your heaviest and smallest clothes with ease. While swivel towel rack tail end round prevent drop design and between the 2 rods is mute designed to make noiseless as you rotate. The modern matte black of these drying racks for laundry is suitable for different styles of home decor design. The wall clothes drying rack has complete hardware. Besides, every drying rack comes with installation accessories and instructions for you to follow easily and set up quickly. Number 4. Folding wall mount clothes hanger made from SÜSS 201 premium grade stainless steel, protect against corrosion and rust. Even if clothes are wet, these wall mounted clothes hanger are sturdy without bending. Don't be fooled by its small size, it's durable, efficient and perfect for closet organizer. Wall clothes hanger hook can hang whatever you want and double your hanging space. For these closet organizer and storage you can use shower hooks to hang jeans, or regular hangers for shirts, pants, jackets, kids clothing, boots, belts on this hanger rack. Clothes drying rack wall mount can swing 180 degrees to the up and down. You can swing it close to the wall to save space when you don't use it. Package of wall mount clothes rack comes with matched install fittings and easy to install. Clothes wall hangers hook takes up very little space. Wall-mounted clothes rack ideal for use in bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, laundry room and wardrobe. Clothes hooks wall mount perfect for small spaces, out-of-the-way corners. Wall mount hanger holder gives you an instant clothes closet anywhere. Sturdy, elegant and time saver, it has plenty of space for all the shirts coat and keeps them separated nicely. Number 5. HE Indoor Clothes Drying Rack serves as a home humidifier during winter, adding moisture to dry indoor environments. In summer, it is an outdoor clothes drying rack that provides the freshest, healthiest smell under warm sunlight. Conserve energy and contribute to the environment by air drying your laundry. When extended, the clothes dryer rack boasts a longer length compared to others, with wider spacing between the drying rods. Extend the foldable clothes drying rack outward and it provides ample hanging options. You can expand the rack to the desired position. Vikaki clothes rack drying is made of all stainless steel, very sturdy, and well made. Wide enough to hold up to 60 pounds of wet clothes. This folding drying racks for laundry are made from premium stainless steel to prevent rusting. They undergo careful pre-factory polishing, ensuring a smooth and safe surface without sharp edges. Equipped with detailed installation instructions, making it easy to complete the installation.